morning, ma'am. My name is Steve Claire Eslacre, a BS Criminology, Set E. My hobby is playing basketball, playing billiards, and cockfighting. I wish I could learn a lot from your subject, ma'am, and excited about the lessons about institutional corrections, and I hope we can all pass your subject, and I hope that you will teach us with PPTs, with pictures, and explain it into Tagalog properly. And also I hope you will be kind to us, and we will do our best to pass your exam, ma'am. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.